Am I looking in the camera? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making rice paper fruit rolls. To make rice paper fruit rolls, first you need a rice paper and you need some fruits. You can add any fruit you want. Green and purple grapes, raspberries, strawberry, and persimmon.
Pitima ni persimmon.
Look, I think he's saying Pokemon. First, take your rice paper and dunk it in water. Okay, do it. Now you count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we take it out.
Put it here.
And it's gone. Now we'll add my fruit of choice to the rice paper.
Give it a try? Okay. Take a big bite, okay? What do you think?
Mama.
What does it taste like?
Real fruit rolls.
Fruit rolls?
Real ones. It was flavored yogurt, extremely chewy.
Okay. It tastes like nothing.
I love it.
Really? I do like it.
You don't like anything that's delicious? Bruh, Mama, can you pack this in my lunch?
Okay.
I really liked the rice paper fruit rolls, but my mom not so much. And drop my video.